Hi guys, it's Ruthie with the Purple Backyard Farm, and this is the mask scarf set I made, and I wanted to let you see what it was. And first of all, the hat, it's got like a little shimmery yarn in it. It's a little messy out here. And then the scarf, this side is just some really thin sparkly yarn that you can wear a mask underneath. And then if you, this still has a little string I have to weave in, or you could pull it up like this for outside. So the idea with this was, I'll pull it off my head here, the idea was if you have to go to, say, a sporting event or something like that and you have to wear a mask, you can still have your scarf on and it will be warm. So you can put like your mask under here, and it looks really cute with the mask on. I should have brought my mask out, but I didn't. But it looks cute with the mask on, so you can be outside and like this, and have your mask right underneath that so you can talk or whatever, and it's not the big thick thing. And you still have a little bit of warmth, and you can make it, shorter or longer, or you can just kind of wear it around your neck and have it like designed, because you can swing it around this way. And it looks really cute on. So, oops, my hat almost got windy out here. So you can see how that would be. So you have to go to, say, like I said, fall events with your family. Maybe you go on a hay ride. Maybe you're going to do like a Lights on the Lake event with friends, and you have to wear your mask, but you want to be comfortable. And there you go. Or you can put it like that. And that way you can still wear your mask and talk and be warm. So anyway, just a creation. I'm always thinking of things that might be handy, and I thought, oh, this would be cool. So you can use just about any stitch that you want. And they have this, different types of these sparkly yarns. Sometimes you can get, I got this one at Walmart. They're a little thinner, so you can get it at Walmart or the Dollar Tree. You can use Red Heart or a more expensive yarn, whatever you feel like doing. And what I just did was I used the string by itself, and then I just added it to, kind of like doubled up the yarn, the other yarn. And then if you want to make a hat, you can just interweave it to match. Or you can even try to make a mask hat with it if you want to. Say you have boys that are outside that maybe you could do something like that. Maybe make a sports team or whatever and attach them. So I hope this is helpful to you. So remember, big or small, you too could be a backyard farm, and God bless.